Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the next video is on what is the purpose of the bend allowances in sheet metal design. Okay, what will be effect on the development of the sheet metal. Okay, so for doing that one, just follow this procedure. Take this new file and take the new sheet, make it in millimeters. Now take this planet command, click on front plane and select the sketch view. Take center rectangle, draw it from the center like this. Make this 5mm thickness. Primary wall is generated, and now create a one flange over here like this of any dimension. Click on this green tick mark. Now our object is ready to perform the unbent operation. Just click on this unbent and click on this green tick mark. Now your object is in flat form or unbent form. Okay, now from here you can measure the length. Click on analysis. Next select this measure group and take distance. Okay, first of all select this edge which is highlighting, and next press Ctrl key on your keyboard and select this one edge. Here distance is showing. Here you can see distance 311.775 millimeters. Okay, now click on model and click the cursor, go here in this model tree and right click on this flange one and edit definition and click on bend allowances. Okay, actually the length the measured by us, that was, first of all click on this bend allowance and from the developer length calculation use feature setting. Now these two options is visible now. Here you can set the value for K factor and value for Y factor. Okay, these are bending allowances values. Basically this is taken by the system. This is 0.50 for Y factor. Okay, now the length calculated by us was something about 311. Okay, so just check once for the bending value of the y. Now the value of this y factor is 0.50. Okay, so for this value, what is the development length? Check again. Click on this green tick mark, go to analysis, click on measure and click on distance, and now select this edge and next press Ctrl key on your keyboard and select this one edge. What is the distance? This is the 311.775. okay, keep in mind millimeters, and I'm gonna just click on model and click the cursor. I'm gonna change that bending allowances. Okay, so click on bend allowances and now change this y factor value, which is now 0.50 to 0.70. okay, and press the enter button. Next click on this green tick mark. Now again go to analysis and click on measure and take the distance and measure the distance. Click on this edge, press Ctrl key and click on this edge. Now here you can see this length is now 312.775. now you can understand very well or understood very well. So for different values of the bending factors like K and Y factor, it is mostly it depends on the bending allowances also. What will be the development length? It is changing. Okay, Basically y factor value is taking as 0.55. Okay, but if most of the time what happen, as customer drawing we have to specify bending allowances if it is different than this value. So you can change the bending value from that, and you can check this, you can make the development planning like this. Okay, you can get this length and width of this plate also. Okay, thank you very much friend for watching this video.